From the frozen Arctic to the towering Himalayas, glaciers stand as majestic reminders of nature's power. These icy giants, older than human civilization, have sculpted mountains and carved valleys, but a silent threat is upon them. Across the globe, these frozen reservoirs are vanishing at an alarming rate, accelerated by a warming planet. For centuries, glaciers held a delicate balance. Snowfall compresses into ice, adding to the glacier's mass, while melting in warmer months feeds rivers and sustains ecosystems. This natural cycle is now out of sync. Rising temperatures driven by human activities have tipped the scales. The consequences of this accelerated melt are far-reaching, impacting landscapes and the lives of billions who depend on them. The Earth's average temperature has risen by just over 1 degree Celsius since the late 19th century, profoundly impacting our planet's climate system. For glaciers, this increase accelerates surface melt and creates vast crevasses. The result is a dramatic rise in glacial melt, leading to cascading consequences for the planet. As ocean temperatures rise, they erode glaciers from below, a process known as subglacial melting. This is particularly concerning for glaciers in Greenland and Antarctica, which hold enough frozen water to raise sea levels significantly. The consequences of their collapse would be catastrophic, redrawing coastlines and displacing millions. The intricate dance between atmosphere and ice is crucial in the life cycle of glaciers. Changes in wind patterns influenced by a warming climate alter precipitation, disrupting the balance of accumulation and melt. Warmer air holds more moisture, leading to increased rainfall in some glacial regions, accelerating surface melt. This can trigger glacial lake outburst floods, sudden and devastating events threatening downstream communities. The disappearance of glaciers extends beyond the loss of majestic landscapes. These frozen reservoirs sustain life, regulate river flows, irrigate crops, and provide drinking water to billions. Their disappearance disrupts these systems, leading to water scarcity, agricultural decline, and social unrest. As glaciers melt, they release vast quantities of water into the oceans, contributing to a steady rise in global sea levels. This poses an existential threat to coastal communities and island nations, inundating low-lying areas and increasing the risk of flooding. The economic and social costs are staggering, displacing communities and damaging infrastructure. Glaciers play a vital role in maintaining the balance of mountain ecosystems. They provide a cold, freshwater habitat for unique species and enrich downstream ecosystems with nutrients. The loss of this water source will have cascading effects throughout these ecosystems. Glaciers play a crucial role in Earth's climate system. Their reflective surfaces act like mirrors, cooling the planet by reflecting sunlight back into space. As glaciers shrink, their ability to reflect sunlight diminishes, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves and extreme weather events. The future of glaciers hangs in the balance, but it is not a foregone conclusion. Addressing this challenge requires mitigating climate change, adapting to its impacts, and exploring solutions to slow down glacial melt. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions and investing in geoengineering solutions could offer hope in our fight against climate change. Glaciers, these silent giants of ice and time, are more than just breathtaking landscapes. They are the lifeblood of our planet. Their accelerated melt, driven by human-induced climate change, is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with nature. But there is still time to act. By understanding the science and advocating for change, we can protect these icy sentinels. What do you think? Can we slow down glacier loss? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Geolapis for more eye-opening Earth science content. Stay curious with Geolapis.